So in this video, we are going to discuss simultaneous equations. So simultaneous equations can be solved using three methods. The first method that will be discussed is the elimination method. The other method is the substitution method, which I personally, as a mathematician, find that to be the most useful. And the next one is a graphical method. So let's start with the simultaneous equations by method of elimination. So simultaneous equations by elimination. So let's consider two equations: 3x minus 6y equals to 24. These were the same simultaneous equations in the method using matrices. 2x plus y equals 1. So the first step is to label both equations as equation 1 and 2. This is just a mathematical convention to do this. So look carefully at the variables of the x terms and the y terms. So think about this here. If I multiply equation 2 by three and equation 1 by 2, let's see what would happen. So equation 1 multiplied by 2 throughout would give 6x minus 12y equals to 48. Let's call this equation 3, and multiplying equation 2 by 3 throughout, we would get 6x plus 6y, sorry, not 6y, multiplying equation, you get 3y equals to 3. Let's call this equation 4. So taking equation 3 and 4 to this side here, equation 3, equation 4. So if you subtract equation 3 from 4 or equation 4 from 3, something would happen. So let's subtract equation 3, subtract 4. So 6x minus 6x is 0, so the x terms cancel out, or it is eliminated. Now minus 12y minus 3y is minus 15y, and 48 minus 3 is 45. Now this would imply that y is equals to 45 all over minus 15, which implies that y is equals to minus 3. So now that we have found y is equals to minus 3, we could use any of the equations 1, 2, 3, and 4 to solve for x. But I would use equation 2 because it's the simplest equation of the 4. So taking this here from 2 when y equals to -3, we could find the x now. So 2x minus 3 is equals to 1. So 2x is equals to, carry across this, so we get positive 3. 4x is equals to 2. So let's check these solutions. Y equals -3 and x equals 2 to see if they are correct. Now plugging in y equals -3 in the equation 2 and x is equals to 2, we would get 2 by 2 plus -3, which is supposed to give 1. So 2 by 2 is 4, -3, 1, so 1 is equals to 1. So this is a test here. Separate this here. This is a test to see if your solutions are correct. Now, the next example or in the next video, we will be using my favorite method, simultaneous equations by substitution.